Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I am gonna do some resin. My biggest dilemma is I don't have any cups. But I've got some black glitter here. And I'm using liquid diamonds, 2 to 1, and I've got a little bit left of the hardener and none left of the resin. So when this is done, guys, I'm out. I have to order more. This is a blue. I got this from Walmart. I got this off of Amazon. This is a mixture. Resin product, extra fine ocean and ocean treasures. This is some gold from Glitter Chimp. And this is from a sponsor, Shelly. This is a Martha Stewart thing. So we'll just do as many as we can. I wanted to do the butterfly, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not. My resin has been sitting for about 5 minutes or so. I want to put some ink in this. I don't have much Baja Blue left. If I can open the lid, I'm going to put some in there because I want the resin to be colored. About 7 drops. Okay guys, look at this. This is my worst one because I overfilled it and I wasn't paying any attention, so that's quite a big thick piece there. So what I'll do is I'll get my wood burning tool out with the X-Acto knife and get that hot and slice that off. Slice all of that off. I can't decide which is my favorite. I like them all. I'll have to get some more resin and do some in greens and pinks and reds. That will be pretty. Okay, look for these on Instagram. I really appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support. It really helps my channel if you like and share. Get more views that way. And hopefully more subscribers. I'm already at 2,100. Only 400 more to go and we will have a giveaway. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.